Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. And today I just want to do a bit of a review with you of the Dear Doily stamp set and the Doily Builder Thinlits. Now I have previously shared this stamp set and I did a Facebook Live which I then saved to my YouTube channel. And so I'll leave a link to that. After the video, it'll be the suggested video of the card that I made very simply using this set. So today really I want to share the Thinlits with you, and I'm sharing with you as a matter of urgency really, because I do know that over in America that this has fully sold out. But lucky for us in the UK, we have different stock levels so we can still get it. Also, this set, if you buy it as a bundle, you're saving 10%, but also it's just at that level where if you purchase the bundle, you'll get yourself a celebration freebie. Okay, you know, once March has done, those freebies are gone, so make the most of it while it's still here. It's a stunning set, and I'm going to show you what each die does. So here it's a 9-piece die set. The stamp set is a 10-piece, and these are the dies. They are absolutely beautiful. So these are each one, and I'm going to show you what each one does. And then I'm going to give you my first impressions of what to do with them. So these are the different shapes, okay? So this one cuts this shape here, which is stunning. I've cut it in white card so you can see. So it's like a frame. I see lots and lots of uses for this. If I just grab one of my... Just really quickly, one of my, I mean this is the wrong size, but I see it as a frame for vintage images when I'm doing my junk journals. Maybe I'd cut it in a different colour. I see it as a layer, and then you could put a circle shape inside with a sentiment, or stamp your sentiment, lay that on the top. Lots and lots of uses for it. It's beautiful. Okay, this one does cut a blank. Okay. And that cuts a blank and it looks like so. So you could use that standalone, or what you can do is the main feature Doily one, which is here, if you put that on cardstock on its own, okay, it cuts a peephole like so out of your card. Lots of uses for that. Bags, boxes, beautiful card fronts with peephole there. Stunning, okay? So if you use that on its own, it cuts a peephole like that. If you cut it with this around it, it cuts you the doily out, okay? And then obviously, you know, it will cut on its own shape. So then if you use that with a different colour and layered your doily underneath like so, you've got that lovely mixture of colours. Okay, so that's how to use those. So versatile, lots of way of using. So that one die there you can use in lots of different ways. And another way that I would use this, as well as using it as a doily to decorate my cards or my boxes, I'd use these in my journal. What you can do is you can cut that, and then if you coat it with some kind of sealant, I don't know, you know, maybe you could use Mod Podge or something similar. You could then use that as a stencil, and you could ink. So for example, I'm on with this journal. I could put it on a page and I could use my ink daubers and I could ink that, and that would leave that on my card, on my page or my card or whatever. Lots of different uses, and same goes for this one as well. You could use it as a stencil. So there's lots of ways that you can use beautiful dies. Okay. So we've got two smaller doilies here, and they do cut out the full shape. So there is those. So you've got the large doily, and then you've got medium, and then you've got small. So you can mix and match, cut them out in different colours, you know, stick them on your card, on your boxes. You know, they're absolutely stunning. I love them. And then you get the little bow here, which is just absolutely adorable on its own. And then you get this little shape here, which will cut out this stamp here, I do believe. So it cuts out that one. Okay, so that is specific for the stamped shape. And same with this one here, which is the flower. So it cuts out that shape there, but it's to fit this stamped image here. So you'd stamp that, and then you would go over to your Big Shot and you can cut it out, so you're not having to fussy cut it. It's got those delicate little flowers there. I think it looks like lavender. That's what my interpretation. You could have it as what you want, but yeah, so save you cutting that will fussy cut that for you beautifully. And then finally we've got this little decorative one, which just cuts out just a little tiny decoration, which you can slot into your card designs. So say that was on a card, you can slot that underneath. You can have it peeking out of the side. You could add it to the edge of a page or the edge of your card. Lots and lots of uses. You could put those on tags, you could put them on absolutely anything. I think that is really pretty, and I think that this set is absolutely amazing value for money, and it's one that you're going to use over and over again. It's never going to date, it's never going to go out of fashion. Everybody loves doilies, and as I say, you can use them in your card making. You can make stencils out of them. I bought this knowing that I would keep it forever in my stash. Never ever will it leave me. And I will use it in my journaling. So that is the Doily Builder. Absolutely beautiful set. You can see lots and lots of different things. Even now as I'm looking, I can think of different things to use these thinlets for. And as I say, it does coordinate. We've got the lovely stamp there as well. So you could do background stamping. Lots and lots of things that you can do with this set. You can mix and match it with other sentiments. Mix and match it with your other crafty products that are perhaps not Stampin' Up. You can use other things with it. I just think it's awesome. And I especially love this people one. If I just move these out of the way, and you can see how beautiful that is. It's absolutely stunning. So now I've cut this and I'm going to use that as a stencil. So I'm going to go and get crafty. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Do please be mindful that some of these items are not with us forever. Some of the spring summer catalogue items will not be with us forever and ever. And some of them will sell really quickly. Also, you know, hello, March is nearly over. Get them free celebration items. So I'm going to be, as well as, you know, this is a bit of a review and a bit of a show and tell. I'm going to be making some projects out of it. I have already made some lovely, lovely things with it, including a journal cover and some cards, but I'm going to be making some more things, so keep your eyes peeled over on my Facebook page. Check out my blog, things like that, and I'll always have some inspiration for you to go through. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.